The last time we studied what? We studied parts of plant. We studied what?
Part of the plant.
And now we will draw part by part and remember what does it do, right? The first part is under the soil. A branched part under the soil. What's its name?
Roots.
Roots. So these are
Roots.
roots. Everybody repeat after me. These are
Roots.
roots are under the soil like that. What's the job of roots?
The roots
Branch it in the soil and go down in the soil to hold the plant. To hold
the plant.
because the other parts of plant are there in the air. If winds come, will break it. So each plant has many branched roots under the soil to hold the plant, alright?
Alright.
And then the elongated straight part. What's its name?
Stem.
Stem, perfect. This part is the stem. Stem is long and straight to do what?
To
Hold the other parts of plant present on the air. Present on the air. Like what?
like leaves.
Like leaves. These are leaves. These are,
Leaf.
one of them is leaf.
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 Alright. What's the job of leaf?
The leaf.
The leaf has which color?
Green color.
Green colored. So the leaf is green colored.
Green.
It can take the sunshine and make food for the plant. So the leaf has green color. So it takes the sunshine and makes food for all the plant. And then at the end of the stem we find what?
Flower.
We find flower. What is the color of flower? Flower is colorful, is
Pink. Red.
so we can describe it as colorful, as
Colorful.
because it's colorful, it attract what? Attract bees. Attract what?
Peas.
Attract bees. And now the bees go to flower to do what?
To smell it.
And makes what?
Honey.
It makes honey. And it takes what from the flower? Pollen.
Pollen.
And fold them in the ground to
Make another.
a new plant. Alright?
Alright.
Again, let's explain or illustrate the parts of the plant. Plants consists of part under the soil, branched in the ground. This part is roots. Is
Roots.
roots. What's the job of roots?
The roots.
Branches.
Branch.
Do like that. Look, if only one, it's not branches. When it give more than, that's the meaning of branching, right? Branching. Branching to make distribution on in the ground. So the roots branched in the ground to do what? To hold the plant. To hold, because the other body parts of plants are there where? On air. Are there above the soil, so on air. If the winds come, will do what? Will break it. So the plant needs to roots in the soil to hold the plant and protect them from the winds. Alright? And then what this long and straight part?
Stem.
Stem. What's the job of the stem?
Stem holds another plant.
Hold the aired parts of plant like leaves and so they can take
Eat from
sunshine and make food for the plant. Because the leaves have green color, they can take the sunshine and make food for the plant. What about this part of plant?
flower.
Flower is colorful part of plant. Colorful. Because it's colorful, it attract what? Attract bees. So bees go to flower to do what?
To smell it, to make honey.
To smell the flower and make honey. And take what from the flower? Pollen. And fold them in the ground to produce a new plant. Alright?
Alright.
You get it?
Yes.
So, who can come here to the board? Alright. And tell me about each part of the plant and what you do.
Okay. Me.
Come. What is part of plant? What's the name of this part of plant? Roots. Perfect. This part is? Roots do what for the plant? Hold the plant because they branch in the ground and go down more and more to hold the plant and protect them from the winds. Alright? And now what this part? Long and straight part of the plant. What's its name? Stem. Perfect. Stem do what for the plant? Hold the leaves and the flowers. Hold the leaves and flowers. And then what this part of plant? Leaves. Leaves do what for plant? What's the color of leaves?
Green.
Green color. The leaves are green color, so they can take what? Sunshine and make what for the plant? Food. Perfect. And what this part? Flower. Flower. What's the color of flower? Colorful. Maybe pink, maybe red, maybe yellow. So flower is colorful. So attract what?
Bee.
Attract bee. Bee come to the flower and smell it to do what? To make what? Honey. And they take what from the flower? Pollen. And fold them in the ground to produce what? A new plant. Clap to jury, please. And now who else?
Bee.
Come.
Bee.
All right, after cook.
This is root.
These are roots. Roots do what?
Hold the plant.
Hold the plant. So they branch it in the ground, in the soil, and go down to hold the plant and protect it from what?
From the ear.
From the ear or the wind to not break the plant. Alright, and what about this long and straight part?
Stem.
Stem do what for the plant?
Stem hold another plant, like leaf, like flower.
Hold the other parts of plants like leaves and flowers. And what about this part?
It's a green part.
What's its name firstly?
Leaf.
Leaf. What can leaf do for the plant? Leaves has a green color, so it takes what?
It's food.
Sunshine
Sunshine.
to make what?
Food
To eat or to feed the plant. And what about this body part?
flower.
Flower. What's the color of flower?
A colorful.
Flower are the colorful part of the plant. So flowers attract what?
Attracts the bees.
Attract bees. And then what happens?
The bees, a small flower, and and makes honey.
The bees smell flower and makes honey. And take what from the flower?
And takes the pollen
Pollen and fold them
down
in the ground to produce what?
another flower.
Another plant. Clap to Cookie, please. Who else can come? Come here. After here. What this part of plant? What's the name of this part of plant? You say me for what? To answer the questions. This part is what? The branched part of plant is what? Roots. Roots. Look at the board, not at my face. The plant is drawn on the board, not on my face. Roots. Roots. The roots do what? Branch it in the ground to hold the. Look here. Branch it in the ground to hold the plant. Right? What this part? Stem. Look here. Stem. 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 The stem holds the other parts of plants present on air, like leaves and flower. What this body part? Leaves. Leaves do what for the plant? Leaf has a green color, so it can absorb or take sunshine and make what for the plant? Food. Make food for the plant. What about this body part? Flower. Flower do what for the plant? Flower is a colorful part of plant, so it attracts what? Bee. Then bee go to flower to smell it and makes what? Makes honey. And take what from the flower? Takes the pollen and fold them down in the ground to produce a new plant, right? You need to study hard. You need to study hard at home. You can go. What's this part of plant? What's the name of this part of plant? Roots. And what about this part? Stem. And these are what? Leaves. And this is what? Flower. Go to your place, please. And now we learn about the different parts of plant and what does it do for a plant. And I think you got it. You need to study hard at home only to be sure you learn it clearly. And now take a short break for a few minutes and come back to study the last session math. Yeah, after finish the break, come back.